Guys, so I just wanted to do a quick talk through of Fussy Deodorant, which I've switched to very recently. This is a great brand and one which I've had coming up on my feed a lot recently, so I just thought I'd give it a go. It was also recommended to me by both my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law, who gave me a code in order to help people switch. I think I'll probably have a code too, so I'll put this down below when I do. They are a success story from Dragon's Den. They have designed a refillable deodorant which doesn't go down the sides at all. It's like a pebble. It's really beautiful. It smells absolutely delicious, and it works, the content of it works differently from normal deodorants as well, because it uses probiotics, I believe, to actually eat bad bacteria under your arms. So it's not a case of blocking your pores, having anything unnatural or aluminium which you're putting under your arms every day, which I believe isn't very good for you. So it's an alternative way. So it's not an antiperspirant, that's the difference. It's a deodorant, two different things. But I've been using it for about a week and a half and I'm already really impressed with it, and so I think it is a way forward for me. Again, it comes in completely compostable, completely recyclable packaging. The price point works out about £5 per deodorant, so I don't think that's too bad. I think that's very reasonable. And you get sort of 3 refills when you get on the subscription every 3 months. So that should last you. It's lasting me well. It smells lovely. It's all natural. I've got another video of when I did an unboxing of it, so I'll probably add that on to this somehow to show you. But just really fab company and definitely worth checking out. Fussy Deodorant.